Hey YouTube, today we're going to replace a receiver on Phonak P90 or P70, P50 audio range of receiver hearing aid. You need two things. You need a pin tool, the hearing aid, and of course a new receiver. So you want to just get into that there, okay? So you get your pin, push it, and it clicks out on that side. That allows it to become free, and you can lift the receiver straight out. From time to time you might find the receiver wires need changing. You take your, so if you look carefully, it'd be difficult to get it in shot and clear focus, but there are 3 holes there, and then you've got 3 prongs as well. You want to try and get them aligned nicely, and you push it in. Okay, then you press the little tab in. Okay, then it's nice and tight and it's secure.